This is discussion of SPM Trial Melaka 2021 paper 1. Okay, question number 1. It is given one of the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus p plus 3x minus p squared equals to 0, where p is a constant, is negative of the other. Find the value of the product of the roots. Okay, so now kita kena guna SOR POR. So SOR negative b over a, POR c over a. Okay, so now start from the question. X squared plus p plus 3x minus p squared equals to 0. Given the roots, dia kata one of the root is negative to the other. So meaning that one positive, one negative. Let's say we choose alpha, another one is negative alpha. If let's say we choose beta, the another one is negative beta. Okay, so then from SOR, okay, from the formula SOR is alpha plus negative alpha equals to negative b over a. So b is p plus 3, okay, over a is 1. Alpha plus negative alpha is 0. So this one, negative p minus 3. So then p equals to negative 3. Okay, so POR, alpha times negative alpha. Okay, so the formula is C over A. C is negative p squared. Okay, so then negative 3 squared, which is equals to negative 9. So the product of root is negative 9. Okay, question B. Find the range of values of x such that the quadratic function f(x) equals to 6 plus 5x minus x squared is negative. Okay, so B, function 6 plus 5x minus x squared is negative. Negative meaning that less than 0. Okay, so this one kita make it positive lah, senang So x squared minus 5x minus 6 is more than 0. So then this we can factorize. We will get x minus 6, x plus 1. Okay, so more than 0. Then we sketch the graph. Okay, we sketch the graph. So here is negative 1. This one, the roots is 6. So then more than. Okay, ni more than. So dekat atas lah, kiri dan kanan So for the left side is x less than negative 1. For the right side, x more than 6. So this is the range of values of x. Question number 2a, rationalize the denominator and simplify 6 minus 3 over 9 minus 12. Okay, to rationalize, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Okay, 9 plus 12 and divide with the conjugate as well. So then we need to expand. Okay, this one kita expand one by one. Okay, 6 times 9 is a 54 plus 6 sub 12. Okay, minus 9 sub 3 minus 3 sub 12. Okay, divide. Okay, for the denominator ni kita ada a minus b, a plus b. Okay, this one equals to a squared minus b squared. So therefore this one kita dapatlah 9 squared minus 12 squared. Okay, so ni square root 12 ni kita boleh simplify. So this one 54 plus 6. Kita kena pecahkan dia hasil darab the perfect square. So 12 is 4 times 3. Okay, minus 9 sub 3 minus sub 3. Okay, ni kita simplify juga kan. So 4 times 3 lah. Okay, so divide. Okay, bawah ni 9 squared 81 minus 12. Okay, 81 minus 12 is 69. Okay, this one kita boleh simplify lagi. Kita dapat 54 times. Okay, sub 4 is 2. Okay, so 6 darab 2, 12 sub 3 minus 9 sub 3 minus 2 sub 3 sub 3. Okay, divide dengan 69. Okay, so this one pun lagi kita boleh simplify plus 12 minus 9 is 3 sir 3. Okay, this one kita dapat 2 darab dengan 3 2 darab 3 is 6. Sorry. This one 3 lah. Okay, over 69. Okay, 54 minus 6. Okay, 48. Plus 3 sir 3 over 69. Okay, so kita boleh simplify. Divide by 3. Okay, 3 kali 1, 3 kali 16, 3 kali 23. So this one equals to 16 plus sir 3 over 23. Question B, the total number of people infected by a highly infectious virus follow the equation mt equals to 1500 plus e power of 0.90 after time t in this. Determine the minimum number of days needed for the virus to infect more than 9,500 people. Okay, so this one maksudnya mt more than 9,500. So 1500 plus e power of 0.90 is more than 9,500. Okay, so then kita simplify. E power of 0.90 is more than 9,500 minus 1,500. So 8,000. Okay, so then kalau kita nak matikan ni, kita nak simplify, kita kena lnkan both side. Okay, lnkan both side dengan ln lah, ln. So e power of 0.90. Okay, this one pun ln 8,000. Okay, so ni kita boleh turunkan. So 0.90 ln e more than ln 8,000. Okay, kita kena tahu in this situation ln actually is log. Okay, log base e. So kalau kita ada ni ln e maksudnya log e base e. So 1 lah. This one is 1. So here we got 0.90 is more than ln 8,000. So t more than ln 8,000 over 0.9. So dapatlah t is more than 9 point something. Okay, 9.99. Okay, so therefore t is days. Okay, so kita ambil yang integer lah. So then t equals to 10. Question number 3a, given that fx equals to ax plus b. Okay, fx equals to ax plus b. And f cube x equals to 64x minus 42. Find the value of a and b. Okay, so kita kena carilah f3. Okay, so kita kena cari satu. Fx equals to ax plus b. So ff is af plus b. So ax plus b plus b. So this one kita dapat a squared x plus ab plus b. Okay, ni ff. Okay, so kita boleh cari fff. So fff is a squared f plus ab plus b. So this one is squared ax plus b plus ab plus b. So dapatlah a cube x plus a cube b plus ab plus b. Okay, so this one is fff ni f3 lah. So kita compare dengan ni yang kita ada. Okay, with x kita compare dengan this one. Okay, so the rest ni yang this one kita compare dengan yang the rest lah. Okay, compare. So compare a cube equals to 64. So dapatlah a equals to 4. Okay, another one yang hijau ni kita compare juga. A squared b plus ab plus b equals to negative 42. So just now a is 4 tadi kan. So 4 squared b plus 4b plus b equals to negative 42. Okay, so kita selesaikanlah ni berapa ni. 16 tambah 4 tambah 1, 21. 21b is negative 42. So kita dapatlah b equals to negative 2. B. Okay, Encik Kamil 40 has been doing exercise activities every morning. Given that Mr. Kamil's heart rate is fx equals to 0.85 times 220 minus x, where x is his age. Okay, determine the inverse of the function. Okay, so now given fx equals to 0.85220 minus x. So to find the inverse, so let y equals to 0.85 times 220 minus x. So then kita jadikan x as subject. So now we got y equals to 187 minus 0.85x. So 0.85x equals to 187 minus y. So x is 187 over 0.85 minus y over 0.85. So dapatlah dekat sini x is 220 minus 20 over 17. Kita jadikan dia ni lah fraction. Okay. So then therefore this is the inverse. Okay. So f inverse x equals to 220 minus 20 over 17 x. Okay. Kalau kita nak ikut the denominator pun boleh juga. Tapi kalau macam ni pun dah memadai. Okay. So this is the final answer. B. Determine the estimated heart rate of Mr. Kamil. Okay, so B2, sorry, this one B1, this one B2. Just now Mr. Kamil ni dia punya umur 40 kan. So dia nak estimate kan dia punya heart rate ni, kita just substitute. Okay, x equals to 40 into the equation, the function. Okay, so F40 equals to 0.85 times 220 minus 40, okay, which is equals to 153. Question number 4. The diagram 1 shows a trapezium-shaped recreation park. Given that the perimeter of the recreation park is 44 meter, find the area of the recreation park. Okay, so now kalau kita tengok gambar ni, we have two unknown which are x and y. So kalau nak cari area, kita boleh cari terus lah. We need to find the values of x and y first. Okay, so dah tahu ada two unknowns, meaning that biasa kita akan guna simultaneous kan. We need to create two equation. So the first info given here is perimeter is 44. So kita carilah perimeter dia, which is perimeter equals to y plus 4 plus 5x plus x plus 10 equals to 44. Okay, so kita dapatlah y plus 6x, 44 minus 14, 30. Okay, so then y equals to 30 minus 6x. Okay, dah dapat satu equation. So another one, kalau kita buat garisan tegak macam ni 90 degree. So this one is y, this one is y as well. So yang ini, yang length ni, so kita akan dapat x plus 10 minus 4. So which is x plus 6. So kita ada right angle triangle. The relation of right angle triangle is Pythagoras theorem. So the hypotenuse yang ni, so kita boleh buat relation lah. 5x squared equals to y squared plus x plus 6 squared. Okay, so then just now kita ada y ni kan. So ni equation 2. So kita masukkanlah 1 into 2. Okay, so 1 into 2. So 25x squared equals to y is 30 minus 6x squared plus x plus 6 squared. Okay, so kita expand. So 30 squared is 900. Tolak 30 times 6 times 2 is 360 minus 360x plus 36x squared. Okay, betul tak? Okay, so plus x squared plus 12x plus 36. Okay, so kita ni lah, kita simplifykan dia. Okay, this one dapat berapa ni? Ni 25x squared. Yang belah kanan dapat 936 Okay, 936 minus 348x plus 36 tambah 1. So 37x squared. So kita simplify lah ni. Biasalah kuadratik kan. So 37, 20, sorry. This one 37 minus 25. 12x squared. So 12x squared minus 348x plus 936 equals to 0. Okay, ni kita boleh simplify dengan kita divide by 12 . So dapat x squared minus 29x. Okay, plus 78 equals to 0. Okay, so then kita boleh factorize this one. X minus 26 and 3. So therefore x equals to 26 and x equals to 3. Okay, into 1. Okay, into 1 kita masukkanlah kat dalam ni. Okay, so kalau kita masukkan x equals to 26, tak boleh. Kalau x tu dapat negatif kan, so tak boleh lah. So x equals to 3, so then y equals to 30 minus 6 times 3. Okay, y equals to 12. So dapatlah x and y is 12. So then to find the area of the trapezium, recreation park tu bentuk trapezium. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam equation of trapezium. Okay, so area equals to 1 over 2 times base. Base dia is y is 12. Okay, height dia campurkan dua ni. This one dengan this one. Okay, 4 plus x is just now 3. 3 plus 10 is 13. Okay, so the answer, the area is 102. Number 5, diagram 2 shows a metal plate PQRSTU made by removing two shaded areas of a circle centered at O and radius of 10 cm. Given that PU equals to RS equals to 12 cm, show that angle ROS equals to 1.287 radian. Okay, so now daripada segitiga ni kita tahu the OS is radius, so OR pun radius jugalah, which is 10. So ni 12 kan, sama. So RS tu sama, dia dah bagi PU sama dengan RS. So this one 12 as well. So meaning that ni 6, ni 6. Okay, so kita construct right angle triangle. So kita boleh carilah separuh angle ni. Let's say theta. Okay, so kita ada opposite and hypotenuse. So kita boleh guna sin. Okay, so sin theta equals, sin alpha equals to 6 over 10. So kita dapatlah alpha ni is 36.87. Tapi kita nak 2 kan, so kita darab 2 lah. So ROS, so angle ROS equals to 36.87 times 2 in radian times 3.142 over 180. So kita dapatlah 1.287. So shown. B1, find the perimeter of the metal plate. Okay, so kita kena ingat ni tadi dia bagi tahu metal plate tu yang bila ada circle kita remove yang shaded region. Maksudnya metal plate ni yang empty space. Okay, so to find the perimeter ada a few alternative ways, tapi saya guna cara saya lah. So yang guna cara saya nak kena cari this one dulu. So saya cari angle ni dulu untuk cari arc PQR dengan arc UTS. Okay, so just now yang ini ialah 1.287. So this one same as well 1.287. So then to find angle POR, okay, 2 pi semua 2 pi. Pi is 3.142 tolak dengan 2 darab 1.287. Lepas tu bahagi dengan 2. Okay, which is equals to 1.855. Okay, so to find perimeter, saya akan guna yang ni. PQR plus dengan UTS plus dengan this one PU12 plus dengan RS same 12 juga. Okay, so this one to find the length of arc S equals to R theta. Okay, so tadi theta dah tahu kan. So 1.855 R dia is 10. Tapi ada 2 same kan. So darab dengan 2. Tambah dengan PU is 12. RS pun 12. Okay, so nanti kita akan dapat 61.1. This one B1. Okay, B2. Okay, find area of the metal plate. Samalah, kita pun ada banyak alternative way. Saya nak guna cara yang lebih kurang macam atas ni. Okay, to find the area equals to find the sector, area of sector P QR. Okay, plus sektor yang ni pula OUTS plus segitiga this one. Segitiga PUO and plus segitiga ni. You all tak kisahlah, boleh guna mana-mana cara ni. Banyak cara ni. Okay. So, now nak cari area is 1/2 R squared theta. So, 1/2 R is 10 squared theta. Tadi kita dah dapat 1.855. So, we have two same sektor ni. So, darab dengan 2 je lah. Tambah segitiga 1/2 AB sin C. So, 1/2 AB dia R lah. So, 10 squared sin C. Okay, sin tadi kita dah dapat in degree. Kita dapat 73.74. Tadi kita dapat 36.87 kan. Darab 2. Okay, so 73.74. Okay, so ni pun sama. We have two similar triangle. So darab dengan 2 lah. So the final answer will be 281.5. Okay, so this one 281.5 centimeter squared. Question number 6. It is given that y equals to 3/2x minus 1 cube. Okay, A, find the value of dy dx when x equals to 2. Okay, so kita ada y equals to 3/2x minus 1 cube. Okay, kalau nak cari dy dx, kita tak boleh direct So, 3, kita naikkan to x minus 1 power of negative 3. So, barulah kita boleh differentiate with respect to x. So, kita dapat negative 9 to x minus 1 power of negative 3 reduced by 1. So, negative 4. Then, we differentiate another time. Function in the bracket is 2. So, kita dapatlah negative 18/2x minus 1 power of 4. Then, when x equals to 2, substitute negative 18/2 times 2 minus 1 power of 4, which is equals to negative 2/9. B, express in terms of k the approximate change in y when x changes from 2 to 2 plus k, where k is a small a positive value. State whether this change is an increase or decrease. Okay, so this will cari approximate change of y, so delta y. So we have delta y, delta x, approximate to dy dx. So delta y is dy dx times delta x. Okay, dia bagi dekat sini from 2 to 2 plus k. So sama So kita boleh gunalah dy dx yang atas, which is equals to negative 2/9. Okay, so dy dx is negative 2/9. Okay, delta x, to find delta x is final value minus initial value. So 2 plus k minus 2 equals to k. So darab dengan k dah. So kita simplify je ni, kita dapat negative 2k/9. So since of dia negative, so dia decrease. Decrease. Question number 7. Given integrate from 1 to 3 dx equals to 5. So find the first one. 3 1 gx dx. Kita dah tahu kan loss of definite integral. So kalau opposite dia punya upper and lower limit opposite, so kita dapat value is negative. So the second one 1 3 gx plus 4, okay, dx. So kita just pecahkan 1 3 gx dx plus 1 3 4 dx. Okay, this one the value of 5. Yang ni 4 integrate dapat 4x. Okay, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So 4 times 3 minus 4 times 1. So kita akan dapat dekat sini is 13. B, given dy dx equals to 5x minus 2, y 10 and x equals to 2. Express y in terms of x. So here we got dy dx. So dy dx equals to 5x minus 2. So to find y from dy dx, we need to integrate, okay, both sides with respect to x. Okay, integrate dy dx, you will get the y. So integrate 5x is 5x squared over 2 minus 2x plus c. Okay, we need to find c first. So substitute y is 10. 5 over 2x is 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus c. So nanti kita dapatlah c equals to 4. Okay. So therefore jangan biar macam tu je, kita substitute balik. So y equals to 5 over 2x squared minus 2x plus 4. Number 8. The variable x and y are related by the equation y equals to h over 3 power of x, where h is constant. Diagram 3 shows a straight line graph obtained by plotting log y base 10 against x. A. Express the equation y equals to h over 3 power of x in its linear form. Big Y equals to m big x plus c to obtain the straight line. State big Y, big X, m and c. Okay. So first of all, we need to reduce from non-linear to linear equation. So y equals to h over 3 power of x. So dia bagi clue kat sini log base 10. So kita logkan lah with log base 10 both side. So this one h over 3 power of x. So by using laws of logarithm, so log h base 10 minus log 3 power of x base 10. So kita boleh turunkan. So this one is log h base 10 minus x log 3 base 10. Okay, so kita rearrange, kita dapat log y base 10 equals to negative x log 3 base 10 plus log h base 10. Okay, so then we compare with big Y equals to m big X plus c. So therefore the big Y, okay, the big Y is log y base 10. Big X is x. Okay, gradient is negative, negative log 3 base 10. And c is log h base 10. Okay. So question B, find the value of h. Okay, h just now is intercept kan. Dia punya c. So kalau kita tengok dekat sini, intercept dia is negative 1. So kita samakan je lah. Okay. So for question B, kita ada log h base 10 equals to negative 1. So h is 10 power of negative 1 ataupun 0.1 ataupun 1 over 10. Question number 9, diagram 4 shows a pentagonal shaped swimming pool A, B, C, D, E. 5 poles are placed at point A, B, C, D and E. Point F is a midpoint of DC. Okay, given semua tu, lepas tu kita boleh labelkan lah yang dia bagi kat sini. So DE equals 2 over 3 AB. So DE equals to 2. AB equals to 3. Okay, so kalau AB ni 6Q, kita boleh carilah this one 4Q. Okay, so another one, BC equals to half AD. So BC equals to 1, AD equals to 2. So kalau 1, 2 ni AD 6P, so kita boleh carilah this one is 3P. Okay, so done. So A, dia kata if Ali swims from pole A to pole C, calculate the magnitude covered by Ali. So kita kena cari dululah dia punya vektor. AC is A, B plus BC. Okay, so AB is 6Q, BC is 3P. Okay, so nak cari magnitude, kita guna Pythagoras theorem. So AC 6 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, which is equals to 45 is 3 third 5. Okay. B, another swimmer Badrul swims from pole A to pole E passing through point F. Determine whether the point A, F, E are collinear. Okay, so kita nak tentukan dia collinear, so kita kena guna lambda lah. So B AFE, so kita boleh cari AE sama dengan lambda FE. Okay, so AE kita guna cari resultant vector is AD plus DE. Kalau tengok gambar tu pergi D dulu. So FE kalau tengok gambar tu ialah FD plus DE. Okay, so then kita masukkan AD ialah 6Q, DE ialah 4Q. 6P, sorry, 6P plus 4Q. Okay, lambda FD pula. FD is F midpoint. So FD ialah separuh CD plus DE. Panjang ni kita kena cari dululah CD. Okay, so CD ialah CB. Banyak cara tapi saya guna cara panjang sikit lah. BA plus AD plus DE. Okay, so masukkan 1/2 CB is 3P. Negatif 3P minus BA 6Q plus AD 6P. Okay, plus DE is 4Q. Okay, so then the rest kita just simplify lah. Okay, so ni kita dapat lambda 1/2, so 3P minus 6Q. Okay, plus 4Q. Okay, so then this one is 3/2P minus 3Q tambah 4Q. Okay, so kita dapat dekat sini is 3/2P plus Q. So 3/2 lambda P plus lambda Q. Okay, so kita compare lah. Kita compare yang belah kiri dengan belah kanan. Okay, so this one P dengan P. Okay, lepas tu kita compare Q dengan Q. So kita dapatlah lambda is 4 So therefore kita compare yang Q dulu, lambda is 4. Okay, kalau compare yang hijau tu 6 equals to 3/2 lambda. Okay, so lambda dia pun dapat sama kan. So lambda sama dengan 4. Sama So lambda sama dengan 4. Okay, so therefore collinear lah. Tapi tak boleh buat macam tu lah. Kena tulis, masukkan balik lambda tu dalam tu. So therefore AE equals to 4FE. Okay, so therefore collinear. Okay, with E is common point So with yang sama E is common point.